Previously on Momo I am Barakpur vlog you saw. Alright, guys, so we have Revu as well as Prabhakar, the owners of Momo I am. What's up, guys?
Hi.
Where are we sitting at?
We're at Barakpur.
Wow. As it turns out, they too gave a dip. So you have two different types of dips over here. I'm gonna have. You can see the fish, which is so fresh. Let's take the bite. So this is approximately a 220 covers restaurant. As you can see, it's beautifully done up with some natural vegetation as well. So they have a live bar over here. It's a pretty long bar, as you can see as well. And this restaurant is located at Sector 5, RDB Cinemas, first floor. Last week you heard the owners mention about this new offer which is coming up, unlimited food, unlimited drinks, and we promised you that we're going to be here live at Sector 5. So here we are today bringing to you the offer. Crew for the day. So we have आगे introduce the करो आगे तक ही blooper start. So we have Shoptik, who now boasts of this amazing attractive vlog core batch. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So he is the videographer for the day. We have Shriparna back again, looking very cute. And we have debuting today Rohit Shutrudhar, his first vlog, Kuchpa moderator.
Hi,
And
guys.
what else do you have over here? And a photographer. Yes. How does it feel?
It feels good. Like I'm coming back to normal after a lot of time.
Thank you. So we have the first item of the day, a chicken good karma soup. All right. So we've taken half a portion because we didn't want to fill ourselves up too much with just soup. But it's a pretty thick broth again with a lot of mixtures, with a lot of vegetables, egg, chicken. Delicious. Alright guys, so we have the first bits of the menu. The entire thing which you've seen, it's priced at $9.99 if you're going for all the food items and limited drinks, which is 2 each. Anything IMFL, cocktails, straight drinks, hard drinks, anything. And if you're adding 200 to it, $1199, then you're going to get the food as well as drinks. Everything's going to be unlimited for 2 hours. So let's start off. We are starting with the veg starters over here. Alright, so we'll start off with the veg hangover momo first. Hey, music take issue hoga? Stop karo. Music. Alright, so we are starting off with the veg hangover momo first. It's delicious. Salt and pepper cauliflower. I would have preferred this to be more crunchy. So all the shooting which goes around in the background, that just kills the crunchiness of certain starters. Ninja fries. Good. Double cooked beans. The vegetarian starters are very good. The veg pan fried momos. The reason we've covered the vegetarian starters first is so that the vegetarian viewers do not lose their appetite watching us have non-veg. So what I'll suggest you all to do is skip through the next part, which is going to be non-vegetarian main courses.
আমাকে রোহিত দা আজকে সকালে জিজ্ঞেস করছে IMFL মানে কি? আরে ওই কাল রাতে
serious?
Yeah.
International Monetary Fund Limited.
সিরিয়াসলি আমি কাল রাতে দিয়ে খুঁজে পাচ্ছি না ওই IMFL টা
Jacket
কি
name.
জ্যাকেট এটা জ্যাকেট নাকি
It's a jacket. It's called a jacket because Videshe, everything which you wear on top is called a jacket, and on the head it's called a hat. And Baba আমাকে last এক বছর ধরে বলছে যে জ্যাকেট পরে স্টার্ট করো, so I'm trying out today.
ঠিক আছে
Let's start with the momos first. The momos at Momo I am are very popular, and for good reasons. Next up is the chili chicken. I would have preferred the chili chickens to be softer than this. It's a little chewy. I'm gonna have the wings next. I love wings. See the glaze. It's very well cooked. Wow. It's beautiful. Guys, how has your starters experience been?
Suresh, okay. So starters have been good thus far. I like the chicken momo. The vegetarian momo was good, but I prefer the chicken obviously. And I like the fries, ninja fries.
Alright, what about you, Shiparna?
I've tried all the vegetarian starters and the non-veg as well. I am liking the chili pork.
Chili pork.
Also, I've tried pork for the first time.
I'm not interested in knowing that. What about you, Shutrudhar? How has your experience been?
It's been a great one so far. What I like most is their momo, chicken momo, which is pan fried obviously.
Why
And
is it
that-
obvious? It can be steamed, it can be fried.
But
it
we are
can-
having pan fried now.
Okay.
And the chili pork, I hardly try, means chili pork I try at very selected places. This is one of the places where I tried the chili pork and it was amazing.
Okay. Guys, there's no way I'm coming to Momo I am and not ordering a portion of prawn hargao. It's if it's available. It was not available at Barakpur, so I was disappointed there. But come Sector 5, prawn hargao is on the menu. Delicious dumplings of prawn. This is piping hot. My bite of a prawn hargao. So hot. See how delicate this is. I've shown you the process of how this is made. It tastes phenomenal. It's the coating is so thin. It's coming off even while you're trying to catch hold of it. It's not alive, I assure you that, but it sure feels like it is the moment it pops in your mouth, just like Shobhik says. So we have the vegetarian main courses first. Let's start with a portion of vegetarian fried rice. I'll have the noodles with these two. So let's start with the Szechuan aubergine first. I am a big sucker for aubergine. I love the Bengali preparations of it. It's called begun, but continental too doesn't harm. With this, I'll have a veg Thai curry. It's a pretty thick gravy over here, which they have. So let me take. Smells very good. So let's start with these two first. Very fresh, very crunchy, very flavorful. This is amazing. Next up, I'm having the noodles first. With this, I'm having some veg balls and soy chili. Spicy preparation over here. And some mushroom kewa datsen. This is a Thai dish. Let's start, shall we? I'm in love with their veg main course. এইটা ভালো না। Non-vegetarian main courses. So we are trying an egg noodle with some hot garlic fish and shapta chicken. So I'm trying out the shapta chicken with the noodles first. It's very good. Next up with hot garlic fish. Next up, I'm having the fried rice. This is an egg fried rice with some mixed veg in black bean sauce, as well as harissa chicken. You'll remember this dish from the last vlog which we've done at Barakpur. Now, while I'm having this, it's worthwhile mentioning that all of the items which we've had today, be it the starters, be it the main courses, everything is going to be unlimited. Of course, if you're a vegetarian, you'll get only the vegetarian options. If you're a non-vegetarian, you'll get a non-vegetarian options. But all of the items which you've had, including the drinks, it's going to be unlimited for 1200 rupees, 1199. And if you want limited drinks, like two of any of kind, two alcohol, two cocktails, two mocktails, then it's going to be 999. This offer is going to be there throughout the week, 7 days from 12 o'clock to 9 o'clock. There's a 2-hour limit. You cannot exceed that. Those who are watching this video, I would like to reiterate that you should not waste food. Like how we've done, we've ordered only portions, maybe a 1 or 2 portion for 4 of us, and we're distributing it amongst ourselves. We're eating it. If you want anything, if you like anything, if you want a repeat of it, you can order it as many times as you want. But when you're starting off, you should just go for 1 portion. Whatever you like, you can definitely repeat. So I am trying out the last bits of the main course. I must say, the main courses at Momo IM, like I have told you in the previous vlog, are really good. Our meals at Momo IM isn't complete without this particular dish. So this, by now you should know what this is. It's a Momo IM special butter garlic prawns. And there's no food spa visit to Momo IM which is complete without this particular dish. So it's not there on the buffet as you would have predicted it. So we ordered an a la carte. You can definitely order it as an a la carte separate from the buffet, but you should definitely give this one a try. Once you've tasted this, you will not try anything else anywhere else when this is there in the menu. So a sweet ending before the desserts come. Momo IM fried rice with butter garlic. Momo IM fried rice with butter garlic prawns. Insane. এটা তো আমি খেতে থাকি. But you all don't forget this, huh? Harissa chicken. This is a Punjabi dish. Guys, it's desserts time, the best part of any meal. And we have blueberry cheesecake, which is very popular at Momo Ayam. And we have a raspberry bao. Alright, let's start with the raspberry bao first. Now, mind you, you're gonna get any one of these two. So the buffet has a dessert of the day option. But we wanted to show you guys what all are the options which are available if you're coming on different days. So, yes. Let me just break this one. So, the bao has bananas inside and it's drizzled with a lot of these syrups. Some strawberry and blueberry compote as well as a scoop of ice cream. On to my favorite, the cheesecake. That was our experience at Momo Ayam Sector 5, trying out the unlimited menu today. This offer is available all 7 days a week and it's from 12 o'clock to 9 o'clock like I mentioned. If you wish to try this out, do give this one a try and let me know in the comment section how your experience was. Until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up from Sector 5 Momo Ayam. Cheers.